Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of Ratchet and Clank. So last episode, we came here as Clank. We punched some weird ass frogs and got a bunch of little robots. And now I'm gonna run like a little bitch past this guy. Alright. Kill! Nom. Nom. Or punch. Wait, what's the volume on this? Oh, that is way too low. There we go. Hopefully I didn't, like, fuck it up. Ow! Bitch! Alright. Let's do some more punching. Again, this part of the game isn't that good because there is no ground pound. There are no helipads, except for, like, your slow descend into madness or something. I don't know. Hey, more health. Ooh, another little bitch bot. Yeah, I've now made it my new headcanon. These things are now referred to as bitch bots. Oh shit, this little guy came in. It kind of like popped up out of nowhere. Alright. Let's punch some more things. Get more bitch bots. Bitch. Alrighty then. Get some more money because I'm greedy. This is what I do. This is actually what I do in my everyday life. I just kill people and take their money. Like they die, they explode, and then like the money just kind of like rains upon the earth. Oh, how did I not get this guy? Die. And now my army. Attack! Yay. He exploded. Okay, follow me. Come, little bitches. And together we will lead this new world into fucking, I don't know, something cool. Maybe something with turquoise. I don't know. Okay. Punch more. More bitch bots. Punch that. Alright. Ow! Fucking explodey box. Go eat a dick. You bastard. Eh. I will take out my frustration on boxes. That is what I must do. Alright, wait. I like how the... fucking excuse me? Thank you. Follow. Alright. Wait. Punch, punch. Activate that. Okay, more monies. Follow. Punch that. Kill! I like how you could just send like a little posse of bitch bots to like destroy people. Pop that. Okay. Pick up more monies. Enter. Go and teleport my little bitch bots. Now, if I remember correctly, at some point I'm going to be coming back here with Ratchet. Now, I don't remember how like correct that is. All I remember that it's a thing I have to do, or something. Wait. All right, let's do some platforming. Yeah. Oh, that sounds fun. Everything explodes. Oh, camera. Please. Thank you. Follow me, bitches. Come to me. Okay, now everyone get in there. Enter. Okay, I thought that would like blow this. Like, fucking excuse me. Did I miss one? Where's the last little bot? What the fuck is it? Lizard bot? Oh, whoa, shit. You bastard. Get over here. You will wait here. Silently. Woo! Oh my god! Motherfucking god! Yeah. Okay. Bitch, get over here. Alright, bitch, get in there. Bitch, get in there again. Bitch, you died. Okay. What's in this weird ass dome room? Ooh, thingies. I might need those. It feels so good to be recording again. Like, I swear for God. I swear for God. Gimme. He has boobs! And now they're inside him. Shut up. Okay, so I need those on that one planet. Where like there was a metal thing I couldn't get on. That's what I need those for. So now I have to get back to Ratchet and give him metal shoes. Gotta give him the boots. The boots are what he needs. Alright, everything else can just suck a dick. Got it.
Hey! You giving me these or not?
They are magnetic. I appear to be stuck to them.
Oh.
Alright. Let's get back to here. And now, blast off into space. So while this is loading, let me explain why I wasn't able to record or upload at all last week. Just too many people were home, and I was out of the house for too much. So there, explained. You can't get mad. Haha. Alright, fucking Clank, hurry up. Alright, now to the good old fashioned nitty gritty. Suck, 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 suck. Ah. You know, sometimes it's hard not to feel like a prostitute with this gun. Because you just suck people and their money goes flying. You just give them that good suck. With double C. S-U double C. Oh, shit. And now, magnet boots are activated. Woo! Fuck you, gravity! Oh, really? I can't use a gun? Oop. Alright. Now, this is where it's fuck. Okay, continue. Alright. Motherfucker. I was gonna say this and the, oh really I'm back here. This and the fucking hoverboard stage are the worst examples of like Ratchet and Clank's like slippery controls. It's like the worst offender. Because they expect you to walk on a straight, narrow line. kind of fucking hard to do that when, like, you walk half a mile when you just nudge the controller. Alright, let's do this. Yeah, baby. Could you imagine how annoying it is to walk in these? It's like walking in mud. Or like tar or something. Or, I don't know, something else thick. Again, double C. Thick. We need absurd levels of thickness. We need Kim Kardashian levels of thick. Oh yeah, and you can't jump when you have these fucking things on. Get wrecked. Suck a dick. Bitch. Bitch. Suck. Bitch. I don't know why I'm saying bitch more. It's just one of those words where you have to say it. It's just so, like, pleasing to the ears to say bitch. And no, I'm not like a 12-year-old kid who just learned how to say bitch. Bitch. Alright, so I think I'm going to end the episode here. I think we did a pretty good amount. We beat stages Clank. And we made it to the fucking thing. Alright, so, hey, I had a pretty good time recording this video. Good to get back into it. Hope you had fun too. Bye.